Hi everyone, my name is Becky Toll, owner founder of Crowberry Consulting Limited, enabling sustainable futures, and I'm here today at the fabulous Leighton Hall in Carnforth with Lucy, who is the owner of the Leighton Hall. And what's really interesting about your property is the sheer number of ecological projects, environmental projects that you're involved with. So please educate our listeners as to all the amazing projects that you're involved with.
I think one of our key things is it is to do with the environment, but it is education.
Education.
So
brilliant.
Education starts with us all the way down at preschool.
Wow.
So we have a preschool, childcare and forest school environment here that we run 3 days a week.
Yeah.
So we get the children outside, learning, living within nature, respecting nature, which is brilliant. So catch them young.
Yeah.
And then we go through all our primary schools, into secondary schools, which is very new to us, but we're getting into that field.
Yeah.
And then we work with local colleges as well.
Local colleges.
So, and then into corporate market.
Interacting with nature, and you have won some awards, haven't you, for your
Yes,
environmental endeavours?
We have. We do a lot. So our biggest project was actually working with a corporate client. We planted 30,000 trees and created a new wildlife habitat.
Fabulous.
So that was incredible.
Amazing.
Yeah, so that was really, really good. That was with Tandem. They were amazing. They sponsored the trees, but we did all the work.
Wow.
But we got the board out, we got lots of staff out, and they came out planting trees with us.
And I bet they've got some big muscles now from doing all that spade work. Digging holes and planting trees. That
was really cool. That was about 2 years ago that went in, and the trees are flourishing.
That's so nice.
So they're doing really, really, really well.
Extended the habitat and the biodiversity as well. And I know you're quite keen in 2025 to find a new corporate partner for a new project, like a land that's more of a mosaic of habitats, isn't it? Talk to me about that.
So we have a lovely 90-acre site on the estate, which was actually under a tenant for many years, and it has. The truth be told, it's gone backwards. So we need to do something very proactive with it. We're actually working currently with Natural England.
Okay, they're the regulator for habitats and species.
They are, indeed. It is a SSSI site, and it has other designations with it as well. But they are working with us, and we are just about literally April starting a year-long survey of the site.
Amazing.
It's very, very complex.
Ecological
survey,
Wow.
It's very, very complex. It has, as you said, a mosaic of different habitats, from limestone pavement, straight forestry, grassland, and then we have woodland pasture as well. So it doesn't quite fit any box.
Diverse.
Very, very diverse.
It's diverse and it's biodiverse.
Yes, exactly. So we're looking at both flora and fauna. We're looking at all the tree species. We're looking at the grassland. We're looking at mammals. We're looking at absolutely everything. And then we're going to build a big plan up.
Wow. So your call to arms is you want a corporate partner who has volunteers or maybe a workforce that can support the habitat regeneration, the species, protection at that location.
And I'll be honest with you,
also,
I would love them if, particularly if they are introducing environmental sustainability and responsibility throughout their business, and maybe looking towards doing, say, B Corp, for example. I would really love them to take this on as a flagship for their company and be partners together. And I'll be honest, I would love some financial input. I'm not denying that. It's a huge, long project. We're going to build up probably 90 acres. It's not a small site. But also, we're going to build a 30 to 50 year management plan.
Wow.
So this is about...
It's a long-term project, guys.
Long-term project. It's constant. Little bits of project work throughout the year on year on year on year. I don't want to get into the way of going in for 2 years, being really, really busy, then forget about it for 10 years.
So what Lucy is looking for, if this is interested to you and it's piqued your interest in ecological restoration, biodiversity, habitat and species conservation, please get in touch with Lucy through the socials at Leighton Hall, Carnforth.
Absolutely.
Or just come up, the beautiful driveway, park up and knock on the door. I'm sure Lucy would love to have a chat with you.
I'm here, so that'd be really good. The more
take
people,
the direct approach.
The more people that we can get involved to actually take responsibility for themselves and the knock-on effect that they have, the better.
The better. And it is all about continual improvement as well.
Absolutely.
For the greater good for that biodiversity of the actual natural environment. So thank you very much for explaining everything that you do.
You're
and
welcome.
your call to arms
Yes,
as well.
absolutely.
And thank you again for opening up your amazing venue, your home, for International Women's Day.
You can't have a house this big and not share it. You just can't do that. It's crazy. It's
fabulous.
It
I
does.
know. It needs to be.
It needs atmosphere and energy. Yeah, it does. Yeah,
perfect.
absolutely.
Well, thank you so much,
Amazing.
and thank you to our listeners.
Yes,
We'll see you again soon. Thank you and goodbye.